wala man kayong ano, wala. What's the worst that, kasi ito rin, what's the worst that they can, Hague. Malayo masyado yung Hague.
Eh, doon ka nga dalahin eh.
Hindi nga papayag ang Supreme Court dyan.
Kaya
Ano ka ba? May mga abogado.
They're actually breaking you to the Hague. Yun ang sinabi ni General Torre.
That is kidnapping. That is kidnapping.
Kidnapping.
Kidnapping na.
Would you just answer that, Mr. President, on the proper forum? Andito naman mga abogado niyo. Okay lang siguro.
Kaya nga, but sabihin mo yung